Hello, guys. Welcome back to Noble Visions. So this is another scholarship opportunity for you if you are looking to study in Asian continent. You have already gotten your bachelor's degree and you're looking to study for masters or do your PhD or fully funded scholarship plus uh, living allowances and stipends given to you with up to 30,000 euros per year available to you as your allowance throughout your scholarship years. So, guys, welcome to the channel. If you're interested in studying in Asia, Saudi Arabia specifically, then you might want to explore this scholarship opportunity. So, as you can see here, it's called the KAUST Fellowship. KAUST is the short form for the King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, which is a very prestigious school in the Saudi Arabia. Um, of course, it's an all welcoming school whereby uh, people from all over the world, come to the school to do research and study. So it's not something that you should categorize as okay, they don't accept certain kind of religion or something like that. So it's a very culturally diverse school, as you can see on the picture here. Mixed races, people from all over the world uh, are in this school studying, and some are on scholarships as well. So if you're interested in this, welcome guys to this video. I'll walk you through on the details about the scholarship so you can apply and um, you know, have a chance for yourself. It's relatively easy to apply, and the requirements for the scholarship, unlike most I've seen, this one is not hard. There are not plenty. I'll let you know about the requirement as we go further into the video. So before we move ahead, please I want to urge you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification if scholarship news is something that you like, uh, and also if you like updates about schools that are affordable, cheap schools, schools that can aid your relocation dreams in Canada, UK, Australia, etc. Then you might also want to subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification. So let's get straight into the channel. Sorry, into this video, the CAL scholarship. So I'll leave the link of this scholarship in the description of this video so you can uh, follow the link to apply if you meet the criteria. All right, so like I said, it's a Saudi Arabian based scholarship, which is in Asia. And then it's called the CAL Scholarship. Full meaning is King Abdullah University of Science and Technology Scholarship. It's strictly for international students who are looking to uh, get their master's and then PhD, but it's for science students. I might add that one as well. It's strictly for research-based scholarship. They are looking for uh, they are looking for scholars who are driven to who are driven in the fields of sciences and are looking to perform research, advanced research, because this school has world-class facilities and are able to host these researchers from all over the world. So quickly, if you follow the link, it will bring you to the school's page, the scholarship uh, page, and then you can take a glance and you see all the benefits that this scholarship offers. Uh, like you can see here, full free tuition support, monthly living expenses from $20,000 to 30,000 annual spending, on campus housing, so you're getting a free housing, free accommodation, medical and dental coverage, relocation support. And in the end of it, if you're also interested in maybe having a permanent residence in Saudi Arabia, it will also support your that dream. So this is where you can apply to it. Uh, Once you click apply, it will normally require you to add your to sign up to the to this website, to the school's website. like you've seen here. So you need to add your name and your email and your interest in this scholarship, and then your login information. So once you do this, they'll send an email to you to welcome you, and then the login that you fill here will be the one that you will then be using to log into your scholarship profile. So if you're on this page, what you need to do is just to fill this spaces out, and then put in your email, and then they will send that to you. But I've done that already, so uh, I'll basically just log in. So since I already have a profile with them, so I'll just log in, and then put in my password. All right, all right. So I've been able to log in. Uh, so I initially started an application. So I'll just go to edit application. But if you do log in for the first time, fill in your details, put in your email, they send you an email. You follow the email, you come to this dashboard, the exact same thing you're seeing here. And then this is where you have the opportunity to um, fill in all your details, uh, all the details of the scholarship. So I just click on start application. So this is basically the interface where you need to fill in everything that you want. So the degree type that you want, for example, if you're looking to get the scholarship for MSc or maybe PhD, you fill that one out. The program that you're looking for. Remember, I said it has to be a science program because that's majorly what they are interested in. Let's say bioengineering specialization. You pick that. Synthetic biology. Which year semester do you wish to begin study? The only one that's available is for 2024. So you just fill that one out. Have you discussed your application with a member of the cast? No. So just the same way, you just basically fill out everything, and then you can submit application. You see how easy and simple it is. Unlike some scholarship that may require you to, uh, you know, to open multiple uh, online application and fill out form. This is just arranged in one profile for you inside of their website, so you can just get straight to it and begin and end in a few hours. So guys, I'll just give you all the details that you need to know about the scholarship. It's a Saudi Arabian scholarship. If you're interested in studying in Asia, and you've done your bachelor's degree already, you're looking to get your master's or your PhD, uh, you don't have money to sponsor yourself. This is a fully funded scholarship. They are even giving you um, living allowances of up to 20,000 to $30,000 per year. And then the deadline is not specific. Like you can see here, it's 4 for 2024. No apparent deadline, so you can start immediately. You don't need to wait until you see deadline. So uh, that is that. And then the requirements for the scholarship, just like I said, you have to have attained a bachelor's degree, and then you have to write your IELTS. IELTS is another requirement. So uh, English proficiency examination, whether it's IELTS or TOEFL, anyone that you have, they collect IELTS or TOEFL. IELTS has to be in the band 6.5. If it's TOEFL, it has to be 79 and above. Then that's for the masters. Then if you're applying for PhD, then you have to already have had your master's degree uh, to show for it, and it has to be in the areas such as engineering, mathematics, physics, chemical, and biological sciences. Just like I said, it's all science related courses. And fully paid tuition in terms of the reward, monthly living allowances, 20,000 to 30,000 annual stipend that they will give you, on campus housing, uh, medical and dental coverage, location support, all what I've already listed before. And very importantly, the requirements that you will have to have when you're filling out this form. The things that they will ask you, personal documents, will include your official university transcript, your curriculum vitae, that's your CV, your statement of purpose, and they also demand 3 letters of recommendation that you have to bring, and then your IELTS result or your TOEFL result, your official one. Then also they would also ask you for your GRE certificate, GRE results, but it's not compulsory. But we heard that uh, it boosts your chances of getting this scholarship, but it's not compulsory. Therefore, you can also apply without that. So that's it, guys. Head on to that link that I will post on in the description, and then you can try and apply it for yourself if you meet the requirements of this scholarship and you're also interested in studying in Saudi Arabia. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos.